time for nest, where baby birds chirp so happily. O for orange, juicy, fresh, bursting with some zest. P for parrot, talks so much, its voice is just the best. Q for queen, so grand and wise, wearing a golden crown. R for rabbit, hopping quick, racing all around. S for sun, it shines so bright, lighting up the day. T for tiger, strong and fierce, hunting for its prey. U for umbrella, when it rains, keeps us nice and dry. V for van, it drives us far, waving all goodbye. W for watch, it ticks and talks, telling us the time. X for X-ray, looking deep through the bones we find. Y for yak, so big and strong, with fur so thick and white. Z for zebra, black and white, a lovely stripy sight.